Hello and welcome to the Maya quiz. This quiz is part of our comprehensive 3D animation course in Autodesk Maya, available on multiple e-learning platforms. Let's begin. Autodesk Maya is an industry standard Dash software used in Dash. The options are programming, website development, game development, video games, 3D animation, films and games, video editing, web series. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is 3D animation, films and games. The dash is used to change the categories of menu on the menu bar. The options are channel box, menu set, toolbox, modify menu. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is menu set. The dash is used to set the duration of time displayed within the time slider. The options are playback controls, range slider, attribute editor, layer editor. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is range slider. The command line allows us to execute dash at a time. The options are one line of code, multiple lines of code. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is one line of code. The script editor allows us to execute dash at a time. The options are one line of code, multiple lines of code. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is multiple lines of code. The dash is used to display all the attributes of an object. The options are channel box, attribute editor. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is attribute editor. Maya supports programming languages such as the options are C++ and Python, MEL and Java, C++ and Java, MEL and Python. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is MEL and Python. MEL stands for, the options are Microsoft Embedded Language, Macro Enabled Language, Maya Embedded Language, Maya Extended Language. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Maya Embedded Language. We can scrub through the dash to preview our animation. The options are Time Slider, Range Slider. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is Time Slider. By default, the toolbox is located on the dash side of the interface and the channel box on the dash side. The options are right, left, top, bottom, left, right, bottom, top. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is left, right. Alright, that brings us to the end. See you in the next quiz.